Oliver. This is John Walsh with the Logic Group, and in this video I want to briefly describe our new Logic Tray software. Our goal in this project was take new technology that is available to people, add it to our Logic Tray software and the digitizing tablets, and make it extremely easy and extremely accurate and extremely fast to be able to trace patterns and save them as DXF files. One of the first things that we did is we got rid of the TabletWorks driver. We no longer use TabletWorks. What we do now is the software programs will connect directly to the digitizing tablet through the USB port, and every time you digitize a point will go to the computer, and it will work today, it'll work tomorrow, next month. It always will be connected with the digitizing tablet. The software works on both the Windows computers, and it also works on the Macintosh computers. Parts of it work on a cell phone, and parts of it works on an iPad. Now, the main part of the software is divided into two windows, a command window where we control the digitizing, and a display window for seeing what we've digitized. Now, these windows are movable and they're resizable, so I can move them around and I can change the size. For example, on our display window, if I have a large monitor hooked up to my computer, I can move that window there and blow things up on that large monitor. The other thing I could do is I could take that display window and put it in an iPad, put that iPad next to my drawing, and then as I draw, I can see what I'm doing right there on the digitizing tablets. Now, the control window, we can also move it. We can leave it on the computer, or I can move that onto a cell phone or onto a iPad, and then I can control the digitizing with the cell phone and never have to go to the computer. I can do a whole tracing and do everything through the cell phone. The software also works with a pen stylus and a cursor. And then the buttons on the cursor are programmable by the user. So you can have one button to be stop, one button to be start, one button for line and tracing. So the user can decide how they want to program the buttons. I also forgot to mention, in terms of the technology, is we've also have the software. It's in 15 different languages now, so make it a lot easier for our users overseas to be able to use the software. Now I'm going to do a quick example here of the vase. I'm going to come in here and click Start. I'm going to take my pen stylus. I'm going to trace all the way around my pattern, just very quickly here. And I could have used the cursor or the pen, either one. Go all the way around. And then when I'm done, I click Stop. And of course, it shows me the pattern on the screen. And then I've got this zoom capability here. I can come in here to zoom, say, okay, I want to look at this part of it right here. And it shows me that part of the digitizing that I've done. Now I'm going to move this. Let's see what it looks like on the cell phone. I'm going to move this window over here. That puts it right now here on the cell phone, and these buttons now work on the cell phone. So I'm going to come in here and click Start, and then I'm going to digitize around this other pattern that I have. All the way around, and then on my cell phone I'm going to click Stop, and then I've got it there on my screen, and then I can save it as a file. So that's the new features of the software. We're very excited about it. You are actually the first customer that I have showed it to. We are hoping to have a working version of the software in September 1st and start letting our users use it. I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback. I hope you have a nice day.